Is this a surprise?
Yes, a surprise. Surprise.
I come to take videos.
Oh no.
Yeah.
What are you doing videos for? Why are you doing videos? What are you?
Surprise!
You know your grandpa has to videotape it.
Hello. When did you get here?
Just
Been here for like 3 hours. She blew in with
Thank you for listening. Don't kill me. But you guys don't
That was
know
a surprise.
the basics.
Yeah. Storm's always blowing with the cold front.
That's
I
right.
just texted you and said I was either leaving tonight or I was leaving in the morning. So yes, you can see me tomorrow. Or you can see me tonight.
I haven't got it yet. Pretty much. No. I still live in the camera. Gosh. You know how.
Stormy, this is Sean's wife, Krista.
She's got that eating honey.
And there's Miss Stormy and Isabel. Bye-bye. She knows the grandpa. She said, where are you going? You just got here.
Hey!
Where'd she go?
Where'd she go?
She said, what all does that give me all of a sudden? I want one to carry in.
Spinach?
Yes, I like it.
Stormy.
No?
I thought she met somebody in
Let me see your jacket. North
He
Dakota.
was here last time you were here.
Fighting Sioux.
Or something.
Okay. That's nice. Where's one for your mama?
This is the college of the year. It may be a different college next year. I
Okay.
don't know.
All right. Bye.
Bye. Next year.